If you're looking to preserve and grow your wealth, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the best tools that can help with a wealth preservation strategy, and trust me, these tools will give you a huge edge. But here's the thing. Unlike the other videos you might have seen out there, I'm not incentivized by affiliate commissions, so when I recommend something, it's because I truly believe it can make a difference. Stick with me till the end, because I've got a powerful insight coming up that could change your financial game forever. Let's get right into it. First up, a tool that has become a cornerstone for many wealth preservation strategies is the Gold IRA. If you've been on the fence about diversifying your retirement savings, a Gold IRA might be the key. Gold has been a store of value for centuries, and in times of economic uncertainty, it's often the go-to asset. The beauty of a Gold IRA is that it allows you to transfer funds from your traditional IRA or 401k into precious metals, shielding your savings from the volatility of the stock market. But here's the kicker. Most people aren't aware of the high fees some Gold IRA companies charge. That's why doing your research is essential. I've worked with investors who lost a significant chunk of their wealth simply because they didn't check the fine print. So, finding the right company that offers low fees and the best options for you should be your first step. Next, let's talk about something a little more modern: cryptocurrency. Now, I know what you're thinking. Cryptocurrency and wealth preservation? Yes, it can be done, and I've seen it done successfully. The key here is stability. While crypto is volatile, there are ways to use it for long-term wealth preservation. One method is through stablecoins. These digital currencies are pegged to real-world assets, like the US dollar, and offer less fluctuation than traditional cryptocurrencies. By incorporating stablecoins into your portfolio, you can still benefit from the growth potential of crypto while reducing the risk of wild swings in value. But, and this is really important, if you're going to use crypto, you need a reliable and secure wallet. Many people have lost their crypto assets simply because they didn't protect their digital keys. Do yourself a favor and invest in a hardware wallet, something like a Ledger or Trezor. These keep your assets offline and out of reach from hackers. Now, let's move on to something I think a lot of people overlook when it comes to wealth preservation: real estate. It's not just about owning property, it's about owning the right kind of property in the right markets. You want to make sure that your investment isn't just in any real estate, but in areas with strong rental demand or potential for appreciation. When I worked with investors looking to diversify, the strategy was always about picking properties that could provide consistent cash flow and were in areas with future growth potential. Real estate can give you passive income, tax benefits, and the ability to hedge against inflation. But here's where it gets tricky. Real estate can tie up your capital. If you want to tap into the real estate market without all the hassle, consider real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs allow you to invest in large-scale real estate projects without actually owning physical property. They offer diversification and liquidity, so you're not locked into one single asset. Just make sure to focus on REITs that have solid historical performance. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about a tool that's absolutely essential for high net worth individuals: estate planning. A good estate plan ensures that your wealth is passed down to your heirs without unnecessary taxes or complications. You can preserve your wealth through trusts, which can protect your assets from estate taxes and even creditors. There's a lot of strategy in estate planning, but one thing I've learned over the years is that it's never too early to start. Whether it's setting up a family trust or just creating a will, the earlier you get it done, the better. Now, I promised you something powerful, and here it is. The key to wealth preservation isn't about just picking one tool or strategy. It's about building a diversified approach that combines these methods and then continuously monitoring and adjusting your plan as markets change. A Gold IRA might be the perfect hedge against inflation, while stablecoins provide the growth potential of crypto. Real estate provides cash flow, and estate planning ensures your wealth lasts for generations. By combining these strategies, you'll be in a much better position to protect your wealth long-term. If you found value in this video and want to support content that doesn't have hidden incentives like affiliate commissions, go ahead and subscribe. I'll keep bringing you the best strategies for growing and preserving your wealth.